Hello. So this is an unboxing video. I got a parcel from Italy and I am very excited. It's a big one. Oh Lord. There are some cones. Oh, the color is beautiful. And some blue ones. And some basics. So this is white thread. A small box. When you sew a lot, you want these. And another one. And this is an off-white. The color is 2309. Yeah. And now comes the exciting part. This is this is the Aurifil color card, and oh, it's bigger, it's more. So there it is, and inside of this is every single color they have. Here I have. That's the lid with silver embossed logo. It's so pretty. And in here are the drawers of every single color they have. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, and there's two more. These are the neutrals and the color changing. And more. Oh, they're so cute. This is nice. It's all wrapped in textile. Oh, this is massive. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's put this here. Okay, Okay, so I got this box, then I got all of my cones. Basics. And these are all 40 weight. I'm gonna use these for embroidery. It's a small little box of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 24, 48 colors, I think. Let's open this. Okay, it opens here. Can you see this? So there's one side, and then I can just flip it around and open the other side. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, this makes me so happy. This must be every quilter's dream. So this is about 1,000 euros worth of thread. I think I might not have to buy any new ones for a day or two. But this is so cute, and I really like them. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, put some comments down below, subscribe my channel. There will be more English videos, even though most of them will be German, but I will try to make a couple of English videos a month, and see you soon. Goodbye.